y'all, it's your girl Pinky Ty, and we are back with another video. I know it's been like a month since we have posted on our channel, but we are back, and we are sorry about that. Excuse my voice, because my voice is a little hoarse. So yeah, we are in Florida. We are now in the truck right now. My husband, he's getting the load. He's almost done with it, strapping it down and everything like that. But we're gonna bring y'all along with us while we explore Florida. This is gonna be a new experience to me. My husband, he's from Florida, so he's gonna show me around, show me some of the things. So yeah, y'all come along with us and explore Florida with us. Stay tuned, stay here, get cool, be calm. We're gonna get the vibes going. See y'all.
Like a These niggas prayed on my downfall. These niggas prayed on my downfall. Oh no, a 10, bitch, I stood tall. Show these disloyal niggas how to ball. Go get a thermometer for the pot. I need this shit cooked right. Let's keep that water 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You ever been inside a federal courtroom? Nigga, you ever went to trial and fought for your life? Being broke did something to my spirit. Ass niggas deployed me. They act like they couldn't hear me. I caught cases on the road with them killers, bro. Kill me if I...
We're in Africa right now.
We don't cast. Last. Now everybody go to breakfast.
Yeah. Let's go.
You go buy for to be sound. Nothing to discuss. Cause if they don't buy it out, I'm without. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate the love. I don't hold it. I know that I go.
You got a passport in here. Passport. Alright, I'm gonna ask this one more time. Is there anybody celebrating a birthday tonight? If you with the birthday person, right? Shine the light on the birthday person right now. Shine the light on the birthday person if you with them. If you got love for the birthday person, shine the light on the birthday person. Come on.
I need you to turn your lights on your cell phones right now. And turn your lights on.
Birthday go crazy, go crazy.
Turn your lights on. Turn your lights on! Turn your lights on! Turn your lights on! Turn your lights on! I need you to put the birthday person in the middle right now.
Where's the birthday person? Go. October's outside tonight.
One time for the birthday bitch. 2 times. She said her vibe to me. I ain't getting on my knees, baby.
You went down for me. You go down for me. You came down and do the side for me.
Sorry, boo. Yeah, I lied to you, so don't you? It look good. Go for it nasty.
You hide the feet.
No, fuck it. I know. I smoke. Yeah, I know y'all shit in here.
Who's calling this shit?
Niggas cause they shady.
These pieces that you wanna have my baby.
Born in the
80s, crack baby.
Me, if he can't do this dance, fire you.
Left, right, let me see you do it. Left, do it, right, do it. Left, right, let me see you do it. Left, do it, right, do it. Left, right, let me see you do it.
Yeah, he gonna be on that floor. Yeah.
gonna lie, she did a split. They all disqualified. She won. Fuck it. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Cash Money Records taking over for the 99 in 2000.
Hey, oh my God, what's up, that shit? Get that shit.
What my girl do?
Riders are foreign, this is menage. Fucking sucking and swallowing.
Do anything for
$4, they tell me get him, I got him.
What's up?
I did it.
And what you did? That's some liars.
Alright, y'all. So, y'all done seen the madness. Y'all done seen them bitches fucking it up on the dance floor. It was lit. How you feel, baby? I had fun. That was my first time on a yacht. I had fun. Did you have fun?
Of course. Always have fun. Vibe.
We were so cute together. This is the last minute little Nike outfit change. Cause I'm like, I'm going on a yacht. I need to have on some clothes that I can shake my little booty cheeks in.
Put your seatbelt on.
Oh shit, I gotta put my seatbelt on. Yeah, hold on. But yeah, y'all, so we in the vlog right now. It's 12:44. We out here in Miami.
Fucking it up.
We out here in Miami. It's 12:44. Y'all see that? We out here in Miami, bitch.
Forget telling me.
On that motorcycle.
I wish you would put some music on.
Look, you ready to get some music. All right, y'all.
Yeah, bye, y'all. Keep going.